Hello and welcome to WWScenics. Today is our first S in our 5S rule, and I'm going to show you how to build the skeleton. Let's get in. Right, okay, so as you can see, I've got some bits and pieces ready to go. Yeah, okay, I've already built one. Okay, so I'm ready for the embankment. Okay, and now I'm on my baseboard and I've got my bits and pieces here ready to go. Okay, so using WWScenics basing glue. Okay, right. Literally just pick up your, that's your base, that's your structure. Okay, the start of your structure. Just for there. Okay, and then you just select the end one, right, which is one of these. Okay, so that's the end one, like that. Okay, right, which then slots into that profile there. Right, okay, so a little bit of basing glue. Yeah, don't worry about the mess or the glue going everywhere. So on the profile on the skeleton, right? Because you're never going to see it after the next 4 stages, yeah, of the S's, right? Okay, so just keep gluing with the basing glue, slot in. Make sure you select the right one. Push down. They are very tight fitting, so the precision cut on the laser cutter, so they are tight fitting. So just push them down and just make sure that you've got plenty of glue on it, that's all. And your top. Yep, goes a certain way. Okay, so what we'll do now is just dab some glue on there, on there. And then locate 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then now what we're going to do is let that dry. Okay, so we put that onto our board, ready, nice and dry. Yeah, we haven't got to glue them together. You can if you want to, but you haven't got to because we're going to be doing a structure. And there's your nice big long embankment. If you want to cut it, yeah, at certain levels, okay. If you want to sort of like a nice long strip like that, okay. If you want to cut it there or something like that, then there's the slider, okay. So there's a slider, what we call it. So you can cut it there, okay, right, and slide it across, right. Slide one there or slide it across there, yeah, you know what I mean. So it finishes there, and then that then will rest on top of that. So you've got strength and structure from there. Okay, you can use the embankment tool to measure out. Yeah, you know what I mean, and cut away. Then you say, right, okay, I want to cut that amount away, so because that's all I want. So we mark it there, cut it down, and then put your slider there if you want to. Okay, so and that's it. That's your skeleton done. Just leave that dry, and off we go, ready to go. So that was the first S, okay, of the 5 S's, yeah, the 4 systems, and that was skeleton. So the next one we're going to be moving on to will be structure, which I'll show you in the next video. So until then, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.